Hi everyone, myself Rushali Anil Mari. I am a student of BSc Nursing 6th semester and she is my classmate. On behalf of our institute, Dr. Deepak Patil Nursing Institute, I would like to really thank Dr. Ashok Sharma sir for conducting this workshop in our institute, as this workshop was based on OBG nursing and critical nursing. Though he is a very great he has a very great personality. Since this man, this holds his personality is really amazing and really appreciable. Now we will discuss what he thought for us on the workshop that he conducted within the last 2 days that we have attended. So let's start.
Vishali, after you introduce the sir, I want to ask you about the workshop. What you learn from this workshop?
Yeah, this workshop was really amazing and it was a great experience, as it was our first time to get exposed to this various kind of procedures and various kind of things that we learn in the OBG. As this is a new subject, we are a new students for these subjects. He really explained it very well, as we are very new and we are very new for this subject. So I don't think I was not sure that I would learn it really well from him. But later on, when the workshop was continued within 1 hour, I thought that, and we all thought that we are learning very well, and we are taking and we are grasping the new things. We are learning very new procedures, as we are not really known, as he taught from the basics, the theoretical part that he explained right from the last menstrual period up till the expected date of the delivery, the full month period of 9 months, and he divided it into three trimesters, like first, second, third, then stages of labor. There are 9 stages of labor. He just given the some code words like acrostics, so that we can learn it and we can memorize it. And he has that the teaching skills that he taught us really well, and it was fitted in our memory in such a way that we can crack any exam and we can write easily. According to him, we can write 2-3 pages, but I think we can write many more things that he taught for us.
In short, you can share that ki sir was teach very well and we can grasp in one time.
Yes, he taught us really well. The coordination, the punctuality he made between the team members, and the coordination they made, it was really good. There was not a single error in the experiments and the procedures. The dummies, they give the realistic experience, as these things are some virtual. I thought that really, initially we thought that we will not actually will not means experience this very well, but later on when I personally did the experiments on the dummies, which are very costly, and he brought this to our college at this level. It was really amazing and it was really good experience.
And what you expect from what you expect another things from this workshop or from sir?
I expect that I expect that he fulfilled everything and he taught us really well. But the dummies that he brought, that are really amazing, and he taught also about the critical nursing, that the dummies he told that next time he will bring the dummy that will come really by walking with everyone. So I am really excited to see that dummy, that how he will walk like a real human being, and how he will give the real experience for us. So I will request sir to conduct more like this workshops for us and give us a better experience, so that we can get exposed to various situations. And sir, you are a real hero and you are a true nurse.
What you like to add a additional subject in that workshop?
No, it was amazing. So he can do anything. We will like it.
सर मला ना पर्सनली एक गोष्ट बोलायची होती की तुम्ही जे हे सगळं ऑल इंडियामध्ये करायला लागलाय, म्हणजे एक टाइम असं येईल की इंटरव्ह्यू घेताना ते आम्हाला विचारतील, म्हणजे फ्युचर नर्सेसना विचारतील की तुम्ही तुमच्याकडं नर्सिंगचं आमचं सर्टिफिकेट आहे का. जर असणार तरच ते आम्हाला इंटरव्ह्यूमध्ये पास करतील आणि जॉबला घेतील. असा पण एक दिवस येईल, आणि ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया नाही तर ऑल ओव्हर वर्ल्डमध्ये हे सगळं होईल. थँक्यू सर.
Thank you.